Nope. Okay, lesson 17 for 6-5 math. What page are we on? Lesson 17 looks like about 77. Yeah, lesson 77 for page 77, lesson 17. So we are multiplying by one-digit numbers. Sweet. Multiplication. Lesson 17. And my computer is not listening to me today, or I'm just operator erroring it. Okay, so let's solve a problem here. Example number 1. Use dimes and pennies to illustrate 3 times 0.14. So use dimes and pennies to illustrate that. So first off, what's a dime? What's a dime, Evan?
Dime is a coin, it's small coin, but it's 10 cents.
It's worth 10 cents, good. So I'm gonna write 10 cents is a dime. And then a penny, Ian, how much? What was that? 1 cent. 1 cent. So we have a dime, 10 cents, penny, 1 cent. So it wants us to use dimes and pennies to illustrate 3 times 14 cents. So it wants us to draw out this. So first off, if we were just working with just 14 cents, how many dimes would I have? How many pennies would I have? Evan, how many dimes would I have? Yep, only 1 dime. So I'm gonna write 1 dime. Ian, how many pennies am I gonna have for 14 cents? 4, yep. 4, spot on. So I'm gonna have 1 dime and I'm gonna have 4 pennies, which would equal 14 cents, bless you, 14 cents. And since it wants us to do that 3 times, how many total dimes would I have if I did that 3 times, Evan? We'd have 3 total dimes if we did it 3 times. So times 3, we would have 3 total dimes. And then Ian, if we had 3 sets of this 4, so if we were to multiply this by 3, we multiplied this by, whoops, yeah, how many? 12, yep, we'd have 12 total pennies. Yep, good. Okay, so example 2, we're gonna get to actually do a problem rather than drawing it out. I like that better. Example 2, let's do some multiplication here. Find the product of 25 cents. 25 cents times 6. 25 cents times 6. So how are we gonna do this here? Evan, you wanna come up and try it? Okay, come on down. The math is right. Or wrong, depending on how you're looking at it.
How we see it? $0, $0. Should I write the dollar sign?
Yeah. Yeah, I forgot that, sorry.
$0.25 times 6. 5 times 6 equals 30. So you'll put the 0 down and you'll put the 3 above. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 3 is 15. So 5, I believe you carry the 1. 6 times 0 is nothing, which means that means is the 1 plus 1 equals 1. So your answer is $1.50.
Yep, so make sure you remember that decimal because it looks like $150. There you go. Now it's $1.50. $1.50. So another way of saying this is we have 6 quarters because 25 cents equals a quarter. So if we had 6 quarters, how much money would we have? Well, we'd have 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25. So 4 quarters equals $1 plus 2 more quarters would be $1.50. Money, something we use on a day-to-day basis. Also, the reason you guys are here and the reason you guys have clothes, the reason you guys have food in your bellies,
right now,
the reason you have a bed to sleep in. There's a rumbly in my tumbly.
There is a, you ever heard of
It's your tummy upsetting spaghetti.
Yes. It's,
What?
yes. Upsetting spaghetti. Okay. Example 3, I have $325 times 6. $325 times 6. We need to find the product of this. Ian, would you come on down and do this problem for me? Make sure that's a 0 and not a 6. What's 6 times 3?
6 times 3 is 16.
So 6, then 12, plus 6 more, what's that going to be?
18.
18, yep. So 18 plus, yeah, just press undo. There you go.
Yes.
That was a 5. Here, there's a 5 right here. Here we go.
Can't you just redo?
You could, but that's what you had.
19.
So 16. 19. There we go. We got through our computer issues. So 1,950. 1,950. Thank you, sir, Ian. All right, that's what I have for you guys. You can keep working on your math homework. So your guys' math homework is page 79, A through L. That's an L, not an E or an I or O or U, and sometimes Y. So that is A through L, 1 to 19 odd. Yes, Ian, or yes, Evan. I know, I need to get to pre-algebra though, so I have to shorten it.
Your Xbox and stuff.
Yeah, I play my Xbox on here sometimes. Yep. What is happening? 2K Madden.
No one plays it.
I love playing Madden.
I love Madden.
Have you seen the new update?
No, I don't.
Why is it doing this? I don't even